Hi guys and welcome to IPD YouTube channel. My name is Alex and in this video we're gonna speak about ceramic coating for cars. In our workshop we have an amazing car. It's a Mercedes E60, one of first versions of Mercedes AMG, and with this car we're gonna do the ceramic coating, and I'm inviting you to dive into the process and follow step by step with all procedures to apply ceramic coating on this car. In this video you will know why ceramic coating application takes 1 hour, but we are keeping the car in the workshop for 2 to 3 days. Why ceramic coating doesn't protect against mechanical damages, and how is properly caring about your car once you've done ceramic coating. And the first logical question, what is ceramic coating? Ceramic coating is basically a liquid which you're applying on top of a painted surface, and after crystallizing this liquid is giving you additional layer on paint. This layer is harder than clear coat, and it has extreme hydrophobic abilities, and at the same time it prevents car from fading by the sun because the ceramic coating layer is blocking the UV rays. And first question, why we keep car for 2-3 days in our workshop? Answer is simple, because of procedure, and there is multiple steps, and let me explain about each one. All of this step is very important. We cannot skip, we cannot do something else instead of this, so we have to follow proper the technique to get the proper result with the ceramic coating. And first is washing and decontamination the car. So during you driving your car, painted surface is getting affected by bitumen stains, brake dust, or any tree falls. All of this is accumulating on surface. This we have to remove before we start to do any manipulations with the car. And during we wash the car, we use the clay bar to decontaminate the surface. With the clay bar, all of this contamination is sticking on a clay and going to be removed together with the water. Then the second step is preparing car for polishing. We are applying masking tape to prevent damages with the polishing machine. For example, black textured plastic can be very quickly affected by touching with the polishing machine. The next stage, and it takes most of time, it's a polishing. It might take around 1.5 days or 2 working days, because we have to use 2 steps at least for polish the car. First step we are cutting scratches, and second step we are rectifying the hologram after step number 1. Then after polishing we proceed to wash car again, because we have to remove all polishing compound from gaps and from surface. Again we're washing car, and then we are drying it with the air to avoid any scratches. After drying we are using degreaser to prepare surface for ceramic coating. It's very important because we need to make sure we are applying ceramic coating directly on the surface, not on a compound or some not visible things on the surface. So we are using 2 degreasers, one is alcohol and one is solvent degreaser, to make sure we are removing everything from the surface. And then finally we will proceed for ceramic coating application. It's not that difficult, but difficult is preparation car for ceramic. Ceramic coating application, it takes around 40 minutes to 1 hour just to apply liquid on the body, and then we are wiping it with the towels. And the last step, it's curing. Curing is also important, because if car with the fresh ceramic is going directly to outside environment, for example if it's rain or something else, ceramic might be affected. So it should stay at least 3 to 4 hours in the workshop to be crystallized. So now you know all steps, and all of these steps is important. If someone offering you only to wash car and apply ceramic, you can run away from this workshop, because it's not supposed to be like that. Car is supposed to be properly prepared. Even brand new cars, we have to polish sometimes, because dealership doesn't care about scratches. They're not preparing car properly before releasing. So the next question, why is ceramic coating doesn't protect against mechanical damages? The answer is very simple, because of thickness of ceramic. Yes, it's harder than clear coat, but at the same time thickness is extremely low. 0.3 micron is almost nothing, so it doesn't protect against chips or any mechanical damages. The most common question, how you should care about car once it's ceramic coated. It's very important how you are washing the car. To keep ceramic for last, you have to properly treat it. So it means we cannot use the waterless method of car wash, because ceramic layer will be mechanically sanded down with dust and wet towels. So you have to always proceed for proper car wash. It's a manual car wash, And I'll explain why. When car is dusty, even if you spray water, you cannot remove 100% of dust. You are removing around 80 to 90% of dust. This is remaining 10 to 20%. It's a static dust. You can remove it only with the shampoo. In our workshop, we use the manual shampoo to lubricate the surface and then remove dust with the sponge. Only in this way you can remove the properly static dust without damaging the surface. And if you keep washing car properly, ceramic will stay for 2, 3, 5, 6 years, it doesn't matter. But if you use the waterless method car wash, it can be affected very quickly. In a few months you'll remove your ceramic completely. I have nothing more to say. I hope this video was helpful. Enjoy the final result. If you have any questions, please welcome to comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe on our Instagram and see you in the next videos. Bye.